Drop it. Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? This is Juan and Jaden's channel again. Jaden's not with me right now, but I wanted to show this. I'm going to do a quick review of this pickup here. You see, of course, you see the black and red Nike box. Let's go ahead and take the lid off here. So look at this. So right here we got SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. This is the turbo green colorway. I actually like this colorway. I don't have anything to match this, but I actually like this colorway. This is actually very nice. There you go. You have like your gray bottom here. Typical rubber, hard rubber sole. You have your off-white midsole here. Here you have your white synthetic leather, turbo green synthetic suede, and then you have your off-white suede up here. It's actually I actually really enjoy this colorway. I actually like this. I swear I can't really see what it says here on the tongue because of the yellow color. But anyway, this is a size 14. I did try it on and it does run true to size. Front of it here, you got your yellow Nike Air with your purple swoosh. And the reason why you have a purple swoosh there is because some of you are probably wondering, well, hey, the shoe is turbo green. Why is there a purple Nike swoosh? Well, I'm about to show you why. So as you see, this comes with turbo green laces, as well as your purple laces, which match the purple Nike swoosh symbol there. So to see, it's kind of ironic. These are also Laker colors. So for you Laker fans, I'm sure you would all like it. Like this, you probably rock these, and I get a feeling you would probably rock these with the purple laces. But I actually really like this color. This is nice. As you see here on the left shoe, it says SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. this up here. So of course you get these two different color laces here. Comes with your standard white shoelaces as well. Of course, all the shoes, all the Jordan retro seem to be coming with this in them. And here you go. Here are your basic white shoestrings here. Ooh. Now, I didn't try this shoe on. I tried the other shoe on, but geez, look at this. Look at that nasty little stain there. Wow. I tell you, this is something I have been noticing as of late. Why are some of these retro Jordans coming with stains, messed up stitching, or just overall or are just overall in poor quality? Wow, this is interesting. And guys, I actually picked this up. Got this straight from Nike. Got this actually the day they came out, which was, I think I've been holding on to these for almost 2 weeks now. But this is, wow. I don't know. Is it because they're, see, I don't really like the way that looks. It looks so cheap. Like they just, like there is over use of fabric and they just cut that out. That is just, look how that looks. I don't know. I guess it's designed that way. I don't like how it looks inside like that, but this is a great colorway here. I wouldn't play ball in this shoe because it's just not enough cushioning in this shoe for me to want to play ball in. But I actually like the colorway. This is actually really very nice colorway. My favorite color is red, but I like this way better than the black and red or the white and red ones that they have. This is great, but anyway, this is going to be a very short and quick review because I wasn't going to go play basketball in these. I wasn't going to do anything in these. I just tried it on and see if it fit. It fit. They do run true to size. The shoe is quite heavy, but not as heavy as the black and red ones. For some reason, those seem to be much heavier than this. I don't understand why, but this is actually a good looking shoe. Good to wear with a pair of jeans, with whatever other shirt you have to match this color. Or maybe you don't even have to wear the turbo green color here because you got your purple laces here, which will work just fine. All right, guys. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, this is the channel of Juan and Jaden. Jaden is my son. If you're watching, hey, Daddy loves you. See you soon, son. All right. Everyone else, like, comment, and subscribe, please. All right. Take care. Peace.